An August summer breeze blows outside as the wayfaring daughter arrives. You left us for so long, but you're here now. We can't hide the tears in our eyes.
You know, one can only play with themselves. I mean, by themselves.
This is nice.
You suffered long, and you needed some time just to be on your own. The days have come and gone, and it's clear now there really ain't no place like home.
What's going on, everybody? Chuck here, and I hope that you are having a fantastic day today. I have the channel Dadding All Day. You can find a link to that channel down in the description box below. I may also just email it to you or text it to you so you always have it on you. But actually, just may be easier if you just click that link and then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. But actually, let me just take one moment to introduce myself a little bit further. I am a husband of 11 years to my beautiful wife, Sarah. We have 2 kids, Cannon and Scout. We live in glorious East Tennessee at the foothills of the Great Smoky Mountains. We bought this house in the summer of 2017, and in the fall of 2018, I had enough. I was gonna turn my ugly, weed-infested front lawn and just completely rehab it. I did not do a renovation. I did not kill anything off. I just scalped everything to the ground and overseeded with turf-type tall fescue. Don't be hating. It keeps really nice color, and it's more comfortable than people give it credit for. I love my fescue. But anyway, I have my front lawn broken up into two sections. I have the main lawn, which is about 2,500 square feet, and it's my showpiece. The color's great, it looks wonderful, it feels great. There's still some common Bermuda mixed in from when they built the house in 2006, and there's still some weeds, especially over there by the street. But over on my channel, I'm actually gonna take care of both of those things. But then you have the side yard over there, or what I call the strip, also the rye-skew lawn, and it got its name the rye-skew lawn because last year I had some good problems, so I leveled and applied topsoil, blah, 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 put some more turf-type tall fescue seed on top of it, and it didn't take as well, so I got impatient at the end of the season, and I put some perennial ryegrass, so now it's called the rye-skew lawn. But over there on the strip, it struggles with some bad compaction issues, and it's just not generally as healthy as my main lawn. So here on the N-Ext DIY channel, we're gonna turn that strip, that rye-skew lawn, into a beautiful piece of turf. So that way my entire front lawn, all 3,500 square feet, just looks glorious. So let's actually talk about that plan right now. So this is what I'll be, oh, that's embarrassing. That's better. These are the products that I'm going to be using on my front lawn. And yes, I have a giant bucket of Air8. Why do I have a giant bucket of Air8? It's because I have a friend of mine who used half of this bucket of Air8, contacted me and said, hey, I have a half a bucket of Air8. I'm just gonna buy more next year when I buy the rest of my products. Do you want this giant bucket of Air8? And I was like, sure. So now I have a giant bucket of Air8. I didn't want John to send me more Air8 because I was like, I already have it. So just send me the rest of the stuff and I'll use the half the bucket that I have now. So that's the story of the giant bucket of Air8. Anyway, using a combination of these products, I'm gonna help build my lawn and make it the healthiest it has ever been. Now, I'm gonna be treating my main lawn and my strip a little bit differently. On the strip, as I mentioned, it has some compaction issues. Let me actually show you what I mean. Maybe an inch. So on the strip, I'm gonna be using the compaction cure more than anything to really help break up that soil and just make a better environment for the grass to grow in. And on the main lawn, it's just an overall health boost for it. It already looks fantastic. The color is there, but I always focused on the N, the P, and the K, which is great. If that's what you focus on, wonderful. You're probably gonna be really happy with the way it looks and the way it feels. But if you actually dig down into the soil, which I have, it is not healthy. The roots don't look that great. They're not diving in very deep. And so they need that boost to just be healthier, because when you have healthier roots, you have healthier, better soil. In the hot summer months that come here, especially in East Tennessee, and the humidity, the grass is gonna struggle, but when it has really healthy roots and it has a really good soil to be in, it's gonna deal with that heat stress of the summer so much better. Also, when I did my soil test this spring, I was very deficient in my micronutrients. So that's where the 002 MicroGreene is gonna come in. It's gonna give me all those micronutrients, and then also it has that wonderful, wonderful iron that we all love to give you that beautiful, beautiful green up. Especially here, there's some neighbors that I have that are really stepping up their lawn game, so I really need to help step up mine. So getting that iron in there is gonna be. So in this video, we're actually focusing on the main lawn and just doing what I'm calling the N-Ext cocktail. You're probably wondering, well, what makes up the N-Ext cocktail? Well, the actual term is the BioStim Pack, but I call it the N-Ext cocktail because it's gonna make my lawn drunk with love, and it's gonna contain the Air8, the Humic 12 and the RGS, and then separately, but not lastly, the 002 MicroGreene. Boom. Free with every order of your BioStim Pack, you get this wonderful N-Ext cardboard box, which makes a wonderful platform to mix your product without making a giant mess on your nice clean table. So before we actually get to spraying, you saw I mixed everything here in the Ortho Dial-In Spray, but you didn't see that I put the 002 MicroGreene, and the reason is because if you put the 002 MicroGreene in there with the RGS, the Air8, and the Humic, the dilution gets all screwed up and the MicroGreene doesn't actually mix well with the other products in the Ortho Dial-In Spray. So just sort of put that to the side, and do it later. But you can do the other three together at the same time. So now let's go ahead and spray. Gosh. I don't know why I chose this angle. It just makes me look sexy. Now that we've applied the Air8, the Humic 12, and the RGS in the main lawn, now we can go ahead and apply the 002 MicroGreene, also at 3 ounces per 1,000 square feet. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour some of this, get it on the lawn, and wait for the rain to come later today. So how do you all think it went? I agree. They think it went really well. The important thing is after you apply your products, you want to go ahead and make sure that you water those in. If you're using the Ortho Dial-In Spray or some other kind of hose and sprayer, 5 to 10 minutes should get the job done. If you're using a backpack sprayer, about 10 to 15 minutes, just because when you're applying with the backpack sprayer, you just need a little bit more water to get it watered in. But we actually have Mother Nature coming in soon, here next few hours, so I'm gonna go ahead and let Mother Nature do her duty. And yeah, so that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, comment below with any questions that you may have. Find my channel in the description below. Come check me out if you would like. And we will see you guys in the next video. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and God bless.